Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird wherein the breeding plumage is half black. The white-winged tern. The white-winged tern or white-winged black tern is a species of tern in the family Laridae. Buoyant river tern with dramatically different breeding and non-breeding plumages. It is a small species generally found in or near bodies of fresh water across much of the world, including Europe, Africa, Asia and Australia. Breeding adult is widely conspicuous in flight with contrasting black and white plumage. At rest, note white shoulders contrasting with black body. Non-breeding and younger birds are white with grey patches and black earmuffs. Commonly found in flocks around rivers, lakes and wetlands, where it picks food from surface instead of splash diving. Generally not as closely associated with salt water as many typical terns. Their calls are like locally named Sudu, piya, Kangul, lihiniya. I have seen the white-winged tern in Trincomalee. Even though we said it is a freshwater tern, we have seen a number of white-winged terns among many gull-billed terns and great crested tern who has come to catch fish from the fisherman's net.